Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. There has been rumors and misconception about the field of video editing that it is quite saturated at this particular juncture of time. But if you will watch this scenario with the great care, you will come to know that this is not necessarily the case. So, considering all these aspects, here is Freelancing with Fahad with 17 killer keyword ideas in the field of video editing. Number 1. The Premiere Pro. It is one of the most professional softwares used for video editing. Just before After Effects, Cinema 4D, I think Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the best software to start as a beginner. Only 680 services are available, so you can see there is not much competition. If you take one small service of making YouTube intros, there are zillions of options in that. For example, if you try the keyword of Parallax, you will find only 233 services available. So people are making the Parallax YouTube intros. There are 3D Parallax, there are 2D Parallax videos which people are searching on Fiverr. You can try this as well. Number 3. Glitch intro. You must have experienced the glitches appearing in a video like this or this one. These are the malfunctioning of videos, and you must have experienced this in the era of CDs, the compact discs. Whenever there were scratches on a CD, such glitches would appear on that. So there are only 264 people available in this field, and you can do good in this as well. Number 4. The gaming intros. Trust me, this is one of the booming industry on this planet right now, gaming industry. If you will choose the graphic designing or video editing, both these people can serve this industry a lot. Trust me, the only 763 people are selling the services of gaming intro. They use this intro at the start of their gaming streams on YouTube, so you can try this as well. Same is the case with gaming montage. Only 910 people are selling this service. The competition is gradually improving, but if you will opt to jump in this field right now, you can try editing gaming montage, and they are sold at very good price. You can see there is good demand of this in the market. Number 6. The motion flares. Here you are targeting the hip-hop industry. I think most of the people doing rapping and singing will need those motion flares. These are flares just like those as we make in graphic designing, but there will be some element in these flares which will be moving. They are quite amazing. There is good demand in the market. You can try your luck in motion flares. Number 7. Photo slideshows. Trust me, this is one of the most amazing things to watch in the field of video editing. If you have the access to the royalty-free images and royalty-free videos, all you have to do is to mix all those and adjust their movement according to the background music. If you want to have feeling of how does a photo slideshow looks like, just go to this gig specifically. I found this very good, and that person has got pretty good mass of audience, good mass of buyers. Only 1147 people are selling this service. The competition is quite moderate, but I think it is still a good time to jump in this field. You should definitely try this. Number 8. Kinetic typography. This is one of the unique ways to present a commercial ad in which the text comes in the screen and they are moving extremely fast. The one word comes after the other and they are moving, they are giggling, they are rotating. To have the feeling, you should open any of these gigs to know how does a kinetic typography looks like. Specifically, it is done in the software like Adobe After Effects, but I'm pretty sure that there will be some software specifically dedicated for making kinetic typography. Only 499 people are selling this service. You should try your luck in the kinetic typography. Well, getting to number 9, video trailer. It is time to pitch the Hollywood directors, Hollywood producers, and Hollywood cinematography experts. Most of the time they've been outsourcing all the work and they're not doing it on their own, and they are outsourcing to all those people working at Upwork and Fiverr. For example, if you want to have the feeling of how does a video trailer looks like, you should open any of these gigs and you will get to know how that actually feels. Video trailer comes up with almost 1100 services, and there is moderate competition. I do not term it to be high competition in which you cannot jump. I still feel that it is a good time to jump in the field of video trailers. And the 10th keyword is also almost same as the video trailer, but I would recommend you to make 1 gig targeting both of these, the 9th and the 10th keyword, the video trailer and the movie trailer. I think you can simultaneously target different type of buyers in 1 gig. It's quite amazing to see all these samples that these guys have created. If you are a pro, only if you are a pro, you should jump in this field. There is good demand in the market. Only 284 people are selling the services and they have got good mass of orders as well. Number 11, brand video. While considering the commercial aspects of any product, every business will be needing a brand video, but one must be capable enough to create an immaculate script for that. If the buyer has not necessarily provided you that thing, you should be able to make on your own. So brand video is a good keyword to go with that. Number 12, sales videos. It's a good keyword, but unfortunately the results appearing for this keyword are quite diverse. You can see there are spokesperson videos, there are explainer videos, there are animated videos which are being sold against this keyword, but it is good to give it a try if you know what the client is looking for. Now, since we were discussing the explainer videos, here is a very good keyword for the explainer videos. It's called VideoScribe. VideoScribe is one of the best software for the beginners to start selling explainer videos and the whiteboard videos. Check out the link below in description, in which I have told you almost 10 different whiteboard animation software which are drag and drop. You can use all those subscription based software to start your career in the field of animated videos as well. You can see only 102 people are selling the services in the field of VideoScribe animated videos. Now I'm going to tell you some of the best keywords to do video editing, which are highly paid and high in demand, and fortunately they are very low in competition. These are the keywords related to promo. Promo is the short term used for promotion, but if you will check the keyword writing the full form of promo, for example, if you try Brook promotion instead of Brook promo, I think that would increase your competition. You will find more number of sellers in the field of book promotion, but if you will try the Brook promo, you will get only 169 people selling this service. In this field, people are actually promoting their books. They need the animated videos related to their books so that they could put all those on their social media, so that use them as the social ads on Facebook and Instagram. So that was the keyword number 14. Number 15, app promo. These are the promo used for promoting the different apps that app developer have been making for the Google Play and the iPhone. But if you will also try the app promotion, you will find some good competition in that. And that would be our keyword number 16. Only 1119 people are selling this service and the results are almost the same. You can try both the app promotion and app promo both as well. And finally, number 17, website promo. Similarly, as people were developing their apps, there are web developers as well who need to get their websites promoted, or they will be promoting these websites for their own clients. They've been using these app promos as an gig add-ons, and there will be sellers who will be coming to you actually and buying all these services. So there are good chances of getting a good mass of orders in that, and you can pitch both the web developers, app developers and the end users in this as well. So you can check 345, 76, 13, 195. There are good masses of order. Only 259 people are selling this service. So that was the video, guys. If you have any complaint, if you have any suggestion, if you want me to make a specific video on a specific topic, then do let me know, and subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.